Ashanti gives a tour of her private yacht during her New Year's vacation.
I'm not vomiting with the bubbles.
Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.
Hey, hey, hey. Ooh, it feels good in here. Wait, let's see. Chef. Tree, you in the way, Tree. Ooh, Chef Nikki. Oh my God, it's about to go super crazy in here. Ooh, ooh. I'm starving too, I ain't gonna lie. It's so cute. Very cute. Oh my God. Hi everybody. What's going on? Happy New Year. We are on the check-in. Oh, should I go to the front? Let's go to the front real quick. It's a whole different vibe from inside and outside. Oh, they pulled up with a little boat to bring all of the rest of the ocean toys. I don't think they could fit the amphibian though, y'all. They couldn't fit the amphibian on there, y'all. We gotta have to wait till we get back to the house for that one. Oh my God. Whoosh! Oh my God. Oh, it's so beautiful out here. Guys, Happy New Year. Sending a lot of love out. I just want to say hi to everybody. Oh, wait a minute. They playing my joint. Woo! Let me see if I can run upstairs. I know this little girl. Her name is Maxie. Wait, how could I get up there fast? Wait a minute. What's your Hey! Hey! Whole different vibe in here. Wait. All right, back to the reggae.
There you go.
Thanks for tuning in to 9 Mag TV.